I'm going to show you how to check your storage space on your iPhone. So there's only really one spot that we really need to go to. So let's go to our settings, and we're going to scroll down until you find general, which should be closer to the top. And with iPhones, it's very simple. They just give you an area that you can look at. It's called iPhone storage. So what this is going to show you, it's going to show you your current iPhone. It's going to show you the size of the gigabytes. As you see, I have 512 here, and then it shows you how much is being used. So it says 156 gigs being used, and then below that it gives you the available space that you still can have things on, if it's applications, if it's photos and messages and music, anything that you want. What you can also go through here is actually go through all of your individual apps and see how much megabytes or gigabytes it's actually taking up space on the phone. Just in case you want to go through, let's go to Instagram here, and you could also offload the app, which is going to get rid of back data and cache so that you can free up a little bit of space on your overall storage. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy just to get a clear-cut sign of how much space you have, how much is being used, and how much is still available on your phone. And that's it.